Hi friends, this video shows how to fix all Wi-Fi problems. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. Go to settings, tap on this settings app icon, select connection and sharing, go down, select reset Wi-Fi, mobile networks and Bluetooth. Here you can see this operation would reset Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth settings. Tap on this reset settings button, tap on OK. Done. Network settings have been reset. Go back. After this reset operation, go back to settings, select Wi-Fi. Here you can see list of available networks. From this list, select our network, enter Wi-Fi password, tap on connect. Done. Connected. Tap on this icon. Here you can see connection status connected, connection speed, signal strength excellent. This way we can reset network settings and fix all Wi-Fi problems. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please take it.